Hi everyone, my name is Dakota and welcome to this video explaining everything you need to know about online yoga teacher training. If you are interested in getting your yoga teacher certification and thinking about doing it online, then this video is going to be very helpful because I am going to cover the top 10 things you need to know before getting started. Before we get into this video, I want to mention that each online yoga teacher certification is a little bit different. So to make things easy, I'm going to use my favorite online certification course, my Vinyasa practice, throughout this video to help answer some of the questions. So with all of that being said, let's get right into the first thing you need to know. Number 1, what is an online yoga teacher certification? In order to teach yoga, you need a yoga teacher certification. Now, in order to get a certification, you need to go through what's called a yoga teacher training course. These certification courses can be done in person or online. Typically, the online certifications are the more affordable option. However, both the online and the in-person will give you the same certification in the end. So with all that being said, there are a few differences between the online and in-person trainings. So this brings us into the second thing you need to know. Number 2. What are the main differences between online and in-person certification courses? For starters, the price is the main difference. Online courses are typically around the $500 mark, whereas in-person courses start at around $2,000 and can go up to $10,000 or more for luxury destination courses. Another main difference is the pace of the courses. Online courses are self-paced, so you can go throughout the course as fast or as slow as you'd like. The in-person courses are typically on a set schedule throughout several months. Moving on to number 3, what are the different types of yoga certifications? So there are 3 main types of yoga certifications: the 200-hour, 300-hour, and 500-hour. Essentially, what these mean are how many hours of training you've completed. The minimum requirement certification to teach yoga is the 200-hour course. Now, the benefit to having a 300-hour or a 500-hour certification is that you may get paid a little bit more as a teacher because you're more experienced. Moving on to number 4, how much does it cost to be a certified yoga instructor online versus in person? Online is always going to be more affordable than in person. The cost of a yoga certification varies depending on the type of certification you're getting. For online courses, a 200-hour online certification can cost as low as $400, and a 500-hour online certification will cost around $1,000. For an in-person, a 200-hour certification will cost around $2,000. And a 500-hour certification will cost around $5,000. Number 5, if I take an online certification course, how do I get hands-on support? This is a great question because many people think that if you take an online yoga certification course, you will not get any hands-on support. However, my Vinyasa practice is one of the only online courses that I know that offers in-person support from a local studio near you. Most students who go through the course find that the pre-recorded videos and the live Zoom calls with the course teachers are plenty, but they also offer the in-person support to students who would like it as a bonus. Number 6, do online yoga certification courses have a refund policy? Typically, online certification courses will give you 30 days to decide if the course is right for you. For example, if you are unsatisfied with your purchase, my Vinyasa practice will give you a full refund in the first 30 days, no questions asked. This is really nice to have because it makes getting started risk-free. A popular question many people have is number 7, how long does it take to complete an online yoga certification? The perk of an online certification is that there's no driving to and from the studio, and it's completely self-paced, so you can do it on your own schedule. With that said, there's 200 hours of course content, so you can finish the course as fast or as slow as you'd like. Typically, students can finish a 200-hour online course in 6 to 8 weeks. Number 8, how long do I have access to the online course? When you enroll in an online course, you get lifetime access to all the course materials. My vinyasa practice, for example, gives students unlimited access to the course for as long as you'd like. This means there's no pressure to start right away or complete the course at a certain pace. Moving on to number 9, can I teach outside of the United States with an online certification? The short answer is yes. Yoga teacher certifications are valid worldwide. And just like that, we are already on the last thing you need to know. Number 10, can I go through yoga teacher training even if I don't want to teach? This is a great question, and the answer is absolutely yes. Even if you don't plan to teach yoga, by doing a teacher certification course, you will learn a tremendous amount about yoga and ultimately make your yoga experience more meaningful. All in all, an online yoga teacher training is a fantastic option. It's much more affordable, you get the same certification, and you can do it on your own schedule. Now, to make it as easy as possible for you, I'll leave a link in the description below to the online course I was referencing throughout this video. Thank you all so much. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Namaste.